Capital Structure Theories, Module number 203, and this is the course of Financial Management. Before we talk about the capital structure theories, let's first see that what is a theory. There is a misconception about it that theory is just an assumption or it is just something which is very bookish and it does not have any practical implication. A theory is basically a concept or an idea which is, when to be communicated with others, is converted into a statement that is called a proposition. For example, a proposition may be that capital structure has a direct impact on the value of a firm. Now, this proposition has to be proved by experimentation or by survey or by some other method. So, this will be tested at different points of time, at different places, with different people. And if there is a consistency in the results, we say that this proposition is accepted and it is converted into a theory. Now, let's see that what are the theories related to the capital structure. Mainly, there are three theories in the capital structure discussion. The first one is called the traditional theory. The second one is the net operating income theory. And finally, the third one is what we call the Miller and Modigliani's argument on this capital structure theory. Traditional theory simply states that the value of a firm is dependent on the capital structure. That is, if we change the capital structure, the value of firm will change. And if the capital structure is altered by increasing or decreasing the leverage, that affects the overall cost of capital. We'll have a detailed discussion on this theory in the modules that will be afterwards. The second approach or the second theory is net operating income approach. It is a contrast to the traditional theory of capital structures, and this theory states that the value of firm is not dependent on the capital structure. So, whatever is the capital structure, the value of firm will not change. M&M or Miller and Modigliani's argument is actually in favor of net operating income theory. Traditional theory is called the theory of relevance, and the other two are called the theories of irrelevance. Now let's have a look at some of the important concepts in these theories which we'll use in our discussion. The first one is the cost of debt. It is the interest or the financial cost that we have to bear as a company on the amount of debt that we borrow. तो अगर हम कोई लोन लेते हैं, कोई बॉन्ड्स इशू करते हैं, तो उसके ऊपर जो कॉस्ट हमें पे करनी पड़ती है, जो इंटरेस्ट हम पे करते हैं, दैट इज कॉस्ट ऑफ डेट. Cost of equity. It is the profit that we earn for the shareholders, which is paid in the form of dividend. So cost of equity is the return to the shareholder. And the third one is the overall cost of capital. The overall cost of capital can be the weighted average cost of capital, or there may be some other method to calculate it, but this is the cost which is used to calculate the overall value of a firm. In the next modules, we'll talk about these theories in detail.